Hey everyone, welcome to Ikra Technology. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between methods and function in Apex. This is very commonly asked questions and concept and super important to understand as a beginner. So let's get started. What it what is method in Apex? A method in Apex is a block of code that perform a specific task and it's always defined inside a class. It can take input parameters, process them, and optionally return a value. Apex methods are always associated with a class, whether it's a built-in system class or a custom class. Here you can see some built-in class and their methods. Math, math.max, math, math.minim, string.value of, date time, datetime.now, system.debug, decimal.value of. Let's take a look of a simple example using a method of maths.max. Here you can write a class and in here you can write a class of demo method and you can use the method of find maximum is the method inside the class using of max.max is a built-in method that return the larger number. System.debug is print the result of value of the log. Here you can see we are written a data type integer a value and then integer b value 20. Now we will put a method max.max and we will do a debug. So here the result you can see maximum number is 20. What is Apex? What is a function in Apex? In Apex, a functionally what is function in Apex? In Apex, a function is basically a custom method you can create to perform a specific job. There are no separate keyword like function in JavaScript or other languages. Instead of function, instead of all function are written method inside the classes. So, in Apex function, custom method that performs specific task. You can see create a custom function to find maximum number without using max dot without using the method you can print a max dot maximum number. This is a custom function written as a method. It is use a ternary operator to check which is greater and the result is printing using the debug. Now we will check. Here you can see we will not use any kinds of method to find the maximum number, and now we will execute our code. Okay. Now you can see the maximum number is 20. Here you will if you use maths function to return a value, you can see the result in debug is same as you can't use the function method. You can use the operators for this same method. That's it for today's sessions on method or functions in Apex.